Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Madi, also known as Maribajari here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on this New Year's Eve makeup look right here. I know New Year's Eve this year is definitely going to be different. We're going to be counting down in our house, probably in our room, drinking some wine, chilling, drinking some shots, whatever you want to do, but obviously safely. I definitely love to get glammed up for New Year's Eve, no matter if it's going to be going out or staying in, which in this case this year, COVID, New Year's, staying in, staying safe. But yeah, I was just like, let's just do a New Year's Eve makeup look. Obviously we're going to be at home, but it just feels good to get ready and get glammed up to celebrate for yourself, you know, because this year was definitely not one for the books. It was terrible, it was crazy, but hopefully next year, 2021, it'll be a more positive year. We just have to go in with the positive mindset, positive vibes, no negative energy, positive. So anyways, if you guys are interested to see how I did this look right here, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. I cannot believe it's about to be 2021. I feel like this year went by really slow, and then right when we hit like October, it just flew by. So yeah, we are pretty much going to be doing a New Year's Eve makeup look, even though I know we're not really going to be going out anywhere at all. But it feels good to just get ready for yourself, and I just love doing New Year's Eve glam, like glitter and all that stuff, even just for the gram, just to sit in your room, to sit in your living room, whatever it may be. Just get ready, just do it for fun, why not? I already did my brows off camera, as you guys can tell. So ever since I got my brows laminated, they kind of did fall a little bit. It's been a few weeks, but I loved the look. So I have been using this Got To Be Glued styling gel that literally gives you a laminated look. If you guys can see on the brows, they look very thick and lifted, so this is key. And then I recently discovered this e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, only $5. Amazing, love it, so good. So we're going to start off with the eye look. So I was actually inspired for this makeup look from iluvsarahii's New Year's Eve look, maybe last year or the year before. It's basically like a nice bold glitter winged liner. So I was like, let's do it. I love me neutral eye look, but I love a bold wing. So we're going to do a look using this Violet Voss palette right here. This is the, I will try to find the name of it and link it down below, but it's just some nice neutrals because the eyeshadow look isn't going to have too many shadows. It's going to be a matte look, but the wing is going to be the main shebang. So let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to be taking a Morphe M441 blending brush, and we're going to take the shade Teddy right here, which is a nice brown color, and just apply that right into the crease. I'm kind of want to focus on the outer corner out here and then a little bit in the center, not too much. And then you could kind of like blend it out here too. Same thing on this side, just flick it out. Now going back into the palette, I'm going to take this dark brown shade right here, Cocoa Latte, using a Morphe M514 brush, and that's just to darken it up. So I'm going to pack it on the outer corner and then blend in very slightly. Now I'm going to go back into that first light brown shade and just blend it out a little more. So now for the lid shade, we're going to keep this all matte. I'm going to go into the shade Silk right here, just using a flat eyeshadow brush, and apply that in the front of the lid like so. And I'm also going to bring it up pretty high. And then go back in with a little bit of that Cocoa Latte shade for the outer edges. Something very nice and neutral for the eyeshadow part. So now for some liner, I'm going to first go in with some NYX Black Matte Liquid Liner. And for this part, I'm going to do a pretty bold and thick wing because I do want the glitter to be shown a lot. So obviously I need a very thick wing to show it. So I'm going to take this winged liner and get in my zone, because when I do wing, I gotta focus. As you guys can tell, it is a lot thicker than I usually would do my wing liner. Also, I am running out of this liner. Love that. Alright guys, so we have the nice thick winged liner on. So now we are going to add some glitter. The Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liquid Liner. And then I also have some loose like gold champagne glitter right here. Just regular glitter. So I think I'm gonna just go over this liner with this glitter liner and then top it off with this one. I know it's silver and gold, but I just want like a mix. So that is what we're going to do. Okay, so since it's pretty wet, I don't want it to dry it. So I'm gonna go in with a brush and just get some of that glitter and apply that on top. Alright, so I think that's enough glitter for this side. I might go back and touch it up, not too sure yet, but now we're gonna move on to this side. Alright, so I'm looking a little crazy right now. I obviously need to add some lashes, and I just smeared glitter all over my face. I'm gonna go in with the Sweet Dreams lashes in the style Barbie. But before we do that, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. So I'm taking the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. And to apply the lashes, I'm using my Duo Clear Lash Glue. So now that we went ahead and put the lashes on, I am loving it. So now we are going to move on to the face. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my Beauty Creations Peach Setting Spray and spray my entire face. So for today's foundation, I'm going in with a little bit an oldie but a goodie for me. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This was my baby, my go-to, but then obviously I want to try out new foundations, so I kind of stepped away from it. But I was going through my drawer and I was like, use it. So I was in the shade 6.5. Let's see if I'm still the shade 6.5. But this stuff is amazing. I think she's gonna match. And then I'm going in with my e.l.f. Marshmallow Beauty Sponge to blend it out. Look how nice that coverage is. So now that we have the foundation on, we're going to move on to concealer. So I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am in the shade Light Medium Honey. I'm going to put a little bit right here. I definitely get some discoloration in this area. And then go back in with that same beauty sponge to blend that all out. Okay, so now that we have the concealer on, oh my god, I'm so excited. Like once I get the face makeup done, it just brings everything together and it makes the eye look bomb. Anyways, so now to set the face, I'm going in with my Mercier translucent powder and I'm going to apply that using my beauty sponge, but first making sure everything is set. We don't want no creasing going on. You definitely want to get some glitter eye safe, because I got some glitter in my eye. Now to set the rest of the face, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Fair Light. I also use a beauty sponge at first just to kind of just get all around, and then I go in with a powder brush to brush it all away. I love a fully set face, like no dewiness, because as the night goes on or the day goes on, my face will produce that dewiness. So I like to make sure everything is set, and then I go in with a Morphe MB2 brush to just brush it all away. So for today's bronzer, I'm going in with my Frankie Rose Pore Contour Palette. Use code maribajari to save some moolah. I kind of just use all of these bronzers. I start off with these two and then darken it up very little bit, not too much, with the last color. And I'm using a Firma 103 bronzer or contour brush. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of my Benefit Hoola bronzer. I kind of just like to mix all these bronzers up to give me the perfect bronze. And then now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M527 to kind of just bronze all over. And I do want a nice cut bronzer, or contour. So I'm going to go back into La Mercier translucent powder and take my beauty sponge and carve the cheekbones out. And now to bronze my nose, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M533 brush. Take that middle shade from the Frankie Rose palette. And what I like to do is I like to go where my eyebrows begin and then just go down the nose here and then bring it downwards. So to highlight under the eyes, I'm going to take the Dragon Face Transformation palette. Take both of the yellow and the pink shades and begin to highlight under the eyes. And then I'm also going to bring it down the nose a bit in the center and the outer edge of the nose to give it like a sleek contour look. So now for some blush, I'm going to take the Benefit California blush using a stippling brush to apply it. And I love to go ham with some blush. And then go back in and wipe away that translucent powder. Now for some highlight, I'm going to take the iluvsarahii Soulmate highlighter with the Calabadosa colors. Just slightly put some glow. And then to set all these powders on the face, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Don't be shy, go ham with the setting spray. When doing that, I feel like it just lets everything settle in nicely and you don't look cakey whatsoever. All that powder you use is just going to seamlessly melt into the skin and it's going to look bomb. Alright you guys, so time to smoke out the lower lash line to complete this eye look. So I'm going to go back into the palette. I'm going to take the dark brown shade, Cocoa Latte or Choco Latte, using a Sigma small angled E65 brush. And I'm going to start by packing that right here. So I'm actually going to go in with this Rimmel Scandalized Black Waterproof Liner. This lasts literally all freaking day. It's funny because I used to use this in high school, like when the dark liner was a stage. And I remember we had swimming and I would wear this liner and it would not come off. Like I was like, all the makeup was off my face except for this. So it's definitely powerful. So I'm not going to use too much, just like that. And then go back in with those brown shades and smoke it out, like kind of smudging it together. And then I'm going to go in with the pencil brush, taking the shade Teddy, the middle shade, to kind of just like smoke it all out. And then go back in with the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara to apply to the lower lash line. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm loving it. Okay, so now for the lips, we definitely need like a nude brown toned lip. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner. And then on top of that, I'm going in with my hashtag Give Me Lala Send Nudes matte liquid lipstick. Alright, so when it comes to the liquid lipstick, I like to apply it in the center of the lip just to give it a nice ombre look. So as you guys can tell, just in the center, and then I kind of just pat it out with my finger. And then I go back in with the lip liner and just make sure everything is blended nicely. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and fix up this hair and your girl will be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the completed New Year's Eve makeup look. I am so happy on the way it turned out. Again, I saw iluvsarahii's video. I was kind of just like scrolling looking for some New Year's Eve makeup inspo and I came across this glitter liner and I fell in love, so I was like, I had to do it. So I am very happy on the way it turned out. But yeah guys, so this is my last video of 2020. I cannot believe that the year is over. Hopefully next year is better. We definitely have to go in with positive vibes, positive mindset. Who knows what 2021 has in store for everyone, because this year was definitely something that no one expected. But I just want to thank everyone who has supported me through this entire YouTube journey all throughout 2020, and I hope you continue to support me in 2021. So yeah guys, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment down below what you'd like to see in the future, please subscribe, stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.